Greetings from Harare, Zimbabwe. My name is Aulline Chapisa. I'm the country director for the Zimbabwe country program, Cristnogol. We are so grateful to the Baptist Union of Wales for your support over the years, both financially and through your prayers. We are especially grateful for the talents of Apêl, which has managed to raise £25,000 for our work here in Zimbabwe. We will use the money to help our communities deal with a devastating drought which they suffered last year, to build resilience in those communities and to also help them prepare for any disasters that may come in the future. We continue to ask you for your prayers because our country still undergoes a lot of climate change excesses and disease. We want to thank you again for thinking about us. It means a lot to us. The solidarity, the prayers and the love means a lot to me personally and to the team here at Aid Zimbabwe. Once again, thank you, Diolch.